Hi, it's Hannah at WTI.
I have the #1 best travel pillow. This is the one you need to buy. This is by FLOWZOOM, and me and my husband both said this has been our favorite out of all the ones we've tried, and it is so comfortable and so easy to sleep with, even with a little toddler next to me. So there's several ways you can wear it. This was definitely my favorite. You take that chin strap and you tighten it so it fits securely around you, and it goes up behind your head on the side, so you have really good support even when you're in the middle seat and you don't have a window to lay next to. It comes with this hood that you can or can't use. Personally, I really liked it because it made it dark and just easier to fall asleep. And unlike most neck pillows, this one, the back does not have a huge ring that goes around your neck. So it's not like your head is being pushed out. As you can see here, it's a little flat layer that goes behind your neck so you have support, but you still can lean flat against your seat if you want to. It's very easy to inflate, and if you want to buy this as a gift, it comes in this adorable little suitcase box. So this would make a perfect gift for someone you know who travels a lot. So whether it's you or a friend who needs some sleep at that airport, this pillow by FLOWZOOM will definitely get them that.
But that's just my point of view.